You are going to love the 2007 Veracruz. The Veracruz has both beauty and brains. This luxurious crossover seats 7 comfortably and received the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration's highest 5-star front and side impact crash rating. Its 3.8-liter V6 engine, outputting 260 horsepower and 257 pound-feet of torque, promises power, and its smooth 6-speed automatic transmission offers a relaxing, comfortable ride. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, traction control, stability control, braking assist, cruise control, trip computer, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.